Welcome to DODIA Machine Tools. This is DMT's 40mm capacity heavy-duty fine-feed type radial drilling machine, which weighs approximately 850 to 900 kilograms. The machine is fitted with 2 horsepower spindle motor and 0.5 horsepower elevating motor. Here the maximum distance from spindle center to pillar face is 37 inches. With the help of this wheel, you can radially move the whole body to inward and outward direction. The machine comes with 10 inches of spindle travel. Pressing the knob to right side can active fine feed mechanism so that you can drill effortlessly while working on heavy jobs with bigger diameter. The machine has a taper wedge feature so that tightening the nut a bit can lock the slide thoroughly. With the help of this elevating switch, you can vertically move the whole cluster to upward and downwards direction. Look, it's going upside. With the help of this switch, you can give rotation to the spindle. It's only working under V-belt and pulley. The back gear is not yet engaged. To engage the back gear, first you let the downside gear be free from pulley by pulling out the pin. For the second step, you pull up the knob, give it a twist little. By twisting the knob, the eccentric shaft attached within gets a rotation and back gear gets engaged. Then you insert back the knob to the opposite hole. Look, it's working with gear now. This benefits in heavy-duty drilling and high-strength material. Now you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Check out our wide ranging of products on www.dodiamachinetools.com or contact on above given number.